What's going on, folks? Man, it's your boy Money Mac coming back to you again from you already know what it is. It's the set. Today, man, I'm excited or semi-excited. Look, man, we got some new audio listening devices in today, man, and they are from TRUEFREE, and they sent me over a pair of these TRUEFREE '01 open earbuds to take a look at, man. And yeah, these, I would call them earbuds, but they're not earbuds. They pack with features that really won't break the bank. But let's dive into them, man. But before we do all of that, man, hit that like and subscribe button so you will be in the know when it comes to these things, such as sneakers, electronics, and toys. But without further ado, man, let's take a dive in, bro. You know what it is. Let's get it. Now, the main features of these open ear buds, as we'll call them, right? They, number one, offer open ear comfort, which means you can stay aware of your surroundings while listening to your media. And we all know how we are with media these days, right? Cool. Crystal clear calling. So these have 4 microphones that ensure clear conversations. Next up, we have instant pairing. With Bluetooth 5.3, it connects to your devices seamlessly. Up next, we got 45 hours of playtime, which means you're gonna get all day listening on a single charge. We got app control, which you can customize your audio settings to these and a few other things amongst that. We got multi-point connections, which means you can connect to 2 devices simultaneously. And they are sweat resistant, which means they're perfect for workout and outdoor activities. So let me give you my impressions of these things, right? So at first, I ain't gonna lie to you, I was a bit skeptical on these, like 100% skeptical on these, right? I mean, really, look at them though. They look like mini speakers that decided that they wanted to grow up and become earbuds. I mean, like really, like look at them, bro. Like really, these are really giving hearing aid vibes. No disrespect to anybody who actually needs hearing aids, but these joints look like hearing aids. But hey, look, looks can be very deceiving in a sense, right? Now, once I actually gave them a shot, I realized that these are definitely a niche product. So if you're someone who always felt like your ears are being held hostage by those earbuds with the noise canceling and all of the jazz that comes along with these more expensive, way more expensive earbuds, right? Because you just want to tune out the world, right? These might be your new best friend. And yes, this is the case, and yes, it is fairly large, but these might actually be your new best friend if that's your case, right? They're like the laid back, chill cousin of earbuds, if you want to put it you get what I mean, right? They're super comfy to wear them, right? You can wear them all day, and if you don't really look in a mirror or something, you probably won't realize that they're on. That's just how comfortable they are. It's like having a personal sound bubble without the isolation. All right, I'm done with all the soliloquies or whatever you want to call them, right? The analogies. Sound-wise, don't expect a concert experience from these. That's not what they are for. They're more like the relaxed backyard barbecue sound where you're getting stuff done and you got music playing off in the distance and you vibing, right? But you get the gist of what's happening here. Don't expect to hear every single detail in the music, because that's not what these are for. And yes, you are going to get sound bleed. So don't really plan on rocking these out in public without getting funny looks while you listening to Gucci Mane, Gangsta Grill's album while you're on the train or on the bus or just walking around in the mall, because them little old people gonna give you crazy looks if you got these in and you got them on level 10, 20, and yeah, just know you're gonna get some sound bleed with these. Now, there is a companion app which you can get the EQ and tailor the sound the way you want it to and get it to your preference, right? But again, they're open earbuds. The point of these is to have your music and be aware of the surroundings at all times, right? And to be less intrusive on those people who just don't like jamming stuff in their ears, or they get discomfort because they have sensitive ears. Those are what these are for. So there's categories. There's open, there's earbuds, like let's say the Apple AirPods, right? Without the silicone tip. And then you got the Apple AirPod Pros, which have the silicone ear tip, which gives you more of a seal and it goes more into your ears. And you got the Beats, you got the Bose, you got a ton of these, right? These aren't in that category. These are for people who don't like those other things. They don't like stuff jammed inside their ears. They got sensitive ears, or they just want to be aware of their surroundings. That's what these are for. So take it for what it's worth. But the app will let you control some of the functions as far as the sound. It actually helps with the pairing, so on and so forth, right? But again, with the EQ settings, don't expect these to be turned into studio monitors, because that's not what they are for. So yeah, once you realize those things and you definitely take a look at the price point on these, then you become okay with that. These are a pair of earbuds that I would just keep in the car. So when I'm at the grocery store and you need to absolutely be aware of your surroundings, let's say grocery store, Walmart, because these days you never know what the hell might pop off. That's what these are gonna be for. I don't have to worry about bringing them in the house to charge them. Goes for 45 hours of use. I'm good, bro. 100%. And again, the price point, you can't beat that. So I ain't never been one for products like this, but I actually found a use case for them and I'm actually okay with it. And I think you will be too. Now to conclude this video, the TRUEFREE 01, not 0, 01 earbuds are a fantastic value for the price point. As I've stressed before, they offer situational awareness while listening to your media. They are comfortable and they offer a range of features that rival some of the more expensive models when you talk about open earbuds. So if you're looking for open earbuds that won't break the bank, and you can pick up 2 pair just in case you want to have them in multiple places, definitely check these out. If you want to learn more or to purchase the TRUEFREE 01 earbuds, click the link down below in the description. There will also be a coupon code for you guys, so please check that out. I'm your boy Money Matt, reviewing the TRUEFREE 01 open earbuds from the set. Peace.